I'm Aubrey. I'm a traveller, photographer, blogger and author. I combined my love for photography and exploration to start my travel and lifestyle blog called The Love Assembly in late 2012. It's led me to many incredible destinations and I'm able to call the world and places like this my office. One thing's for sure, no 2 days are ever the same. My philosophy and approach to the act of solo travel really comes as seeing it as a form of personal development and self-improvement. I truly believe that when we explore more parts of our world, we give the chance to explore more parts of ourselves. For me, when I began my journey, I wanted to experience that completely and fully. I merely just didn't want to exist in the world. I wanted to feel alive every single damn day. I've just released a new book titled Wanderlove, which is the perfect mix of style, substance and travel adventures to inspire your own. And in here I share my travel experiences from where to find the most amazing markets around the world, life and love lessons from solo travels. I give you an insight and tools into how to start a travel blog of your own. And of course, give you tips on how to upgrade your travel photography skills for your next adventure. I'm excited to be jetting away on my next adventure and be taking my G9 camera with me for a European summer for the next 4 months. I'm excited to see where I'll end up and I would love for you to join the journey. I promise it won't be boring. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my gallery and all of my tips to make the most out of your travel photos. Ciao!